This video is a brief explanation of the operations of a fire suppression system. In its simplistic terms, a fire suppression system is a combination of a fire alarm system connected to a fire extinguisher. The fire alarm section of the system detects the fire or the smoke and then sends a signal to the fire extinguisher, which automatically activates and puts the fire out. In this video, the area being protected is a small comms room, and the fire suppression agent on this system is FM200. To enable us to hear what I am saying during the video, we have removed the gongs off of the bells within the comms room and isolated the output to the main fire alarm panel. Within the protected area is a series of smoke detectors. In a room this size, there are 4 on the ceiling and 4 in the floor void. The 4 detectors are divided into 2 separate zones. Therefore, 2 detectors are in zone 1 and the remaining 2 detectors are in zone 2. The fire suppression system has a first and second stage. If one detector activates, the bell sounds, the red beacon flashes, informing the occupants that the system is now in stage 1, sends a signal to the main house fire alarm, and any room dampers will close. If a second detector were to operate in an alternative zone, this will put the system into stage 2. As you can see, the engineer has removed the actuator from the cylinder, as we do not want to discharge while carrying out this test. In stage 2, the electronic pulsing sounder begins and the blue flashing beacon illuminates. When the system is in stage 2, the room is now ready for the gas discharge, and a 30-second countdown timing sequence begins before the fire suppression agent, in this case FM200, will automatically discharge within the protected area. In stage 2, all occupants should have left the room and the door should be closed behind them. At the front of the panel, you can see the timer countdown before the gas is discharged. For this demonstration, we have removed the actuator from the cylinder, but to show you that the actuator has fired, we have placed a screwdriver within the solenoid. During normal operation, the solenoid is energized and therefore will grip the screwdriver. However, once the fire suppression system has activated the solenoid, the magnetic force is released and the screwdriver will drop to the floor. Finally, there are 2 other elements to discuss. The first is the pressure relief damper and the second is the smoke extract. The pressure relief damper is the white square unit on the wall. The unit is similar to a cat flap and is designed to open at a certain room pressure. This is required because during gas discharge there can be enough force from the pressure generated by the discharge of the gas to damage the structure of the room. Another point to consider is when the smoke extract is operated, a negative pressure is generated, and you will see this when we operate the smoke extract system. The round circular unit next to the pressure relief damper is a smoke extract. This unit is required to extract the discharged fire suppression agent, in this case FM200, and any smoke that may be trapped within the protected area. As we operate the smoke extract, you will notice the pressure relief damper opens. This completes our overview of a fire suppression system. If you require any assistance in the design, installation or maintenance of fire suppression systems, why not contact our office on 0208 541 5646 or visit our website on www.firesystems.co.uk and complete our contact form.